Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to sign up for e-statements with ISU Credit Union. In this video, we will show you how to access the e-statements site through our CU Online account access. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to our website isucreditunion.com and log in with your CU Online account access credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll navigate to Electronic Statements and select Electronic Statements from the drop-down menu. This selection will open up the e-statements window. You will want to confirm that your account number, email address, and name are displayed correctly. You may need to enter your email address if we do not already have one on file. Next, you will read over the e-statements disclosure. If you agree to the conditions listed, you will click on I accept and then register. Your personalized My Statements page will appear. You will see that you have access to the last 12 months of statements. To view a statement, click on the link under the Document Type section. This will load that statement into view. To print or download, simply click the Print/Download Document button. To navigate through the pages of the statement, click on Next. Within the e-statements page, you will see a My Profile section at the top. If you click on that, your web account information will be displayed. Should you ever need to update your email address for your statement notifications, this is where you would do that. Also, if you ever have the need to return to mailed paper statements, this is where you would make that selection. You would need to select Printed Statements and Save to do that. When you are done, simply click on Log Out on the right-hand section of the page. You can then log out of CU Online account access as well. We hope that you have found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for being an ISU Credit Union member.